So to talk about Industry 4.0, we first have to talk about the three industrial revolutions that came before. So we're going to take a look at the history of industrial revolutions. The first industrial revolution, mechanization, 1760 to 1830. Manufacturing was primitive before 1760 and limited to human and animal power. Some sophisticated systems existed, but manufacturing capacity was limited. The Industrial Revolution changed everything. Characterized by mechanization, the first Industrial Revolution introduced machines to the manufacturing process. Manufacturing processes began harnessing steam and water to power machines instead of relying solely on human and animal strength. Iron and steel factory machines became prominent, and the internal combustion engine made its way to the factory floor. The second Industrial Revolution, mass production, 1870 to 1914. The assembly line, process standardization, and electric power machines led to mass production. Railways moved raw materials and finished products faster than wagons and horses. And the flow of information through telegraph and eventually the telephone all contributed to another manufacturing renaissance. Henry Ford was a prominent figure in the second Industrial Revolution. He introduced the first assembly line for a complete automobile. The assembly line cut production time from over 12 hours to 1 hour and 33 minutes for Ford's Model T. The second Industrial Revolution opened new supply chains, led to mass production, and made products more readily available to the average person. The third Industrial Revolution, digitalization, 1950 to 2002. In the 1950s, computers became a staple of manufacturing. Advances in telecommunication, electronics, and IT infrastructure led to widespread automation using robots and PLCs, programmable logic controllers. Efficient machines, paired with computers, performed tasks that only humans were capable of in the past. CAD software debuted in 1957. It started as 2D engineering design software and led to today's advanced 3D CAD software. CAD software is foundational to Industry 4.0. The fourth Industrial Revolution, Industry 4.0, interconnectivity 2011 to present. Deep system integrations that pass large-scale data between machines became possible by advances in data storage, networking, and artificial intelligence. Companies can now equip components within a manufacturing facility with sensors that enable machines to assist with complex tasks more comprehensively. These sensors pass data back to central systems for distribution throughout the enterprise, providing diagnostics and analysis to streamline processes. The foundation of Industry 4.0 is the interconnectivity of systems paired with real-time data and machine learning that drive factory automation.